Hey, welcome back, guys and gals. Welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. Then we're going to be opening up two Matchbox 5 packs. Figure I'd change it up a little bit and do a little Matchbox. We got the Blue Highways, the third, I guess, Blue Highways 3, and we got Warren Industries. Warren, 75 years, I reckon, has been in business. Let's open them up. The Blue Highways. And the Warren Industries. Let's check them out. Take the Blue Highways, the third first. First up, we got us a little bluish purple Polaris slingshot. Slingshot, little 3-wheel. They're pretty cool. I wouldn't mind having me one later on. You can do a lot with these slingshots. But anyway, that's the Polaris slingshot. Next up, got us a Dodge Viper SRT10 convertible. Gray silvery metallic. Black stripes, black interior. A pretty good detail. Anyway, that's the Viper SRT10. You got one of my favorites, International Scout 4-wheel drive. Light blue with black stripes, big old wheels. These things are cool. You don't see many of them. Well, you don't see none of them hardly. Anyway, it's a pretty cool little truck. International Scout. Next, we got a little Mazda Miata MX-5. Bright bloody red, black interior. Pretty nice. It is the Mazda Miata. And then last, got a GM Chevy 69 Camaro SS 396. Convertible. White racing stripes. Looks like a brown metallic. It's pretty cars. And that is a 69 Camaro Super Sport 396. And that does it for the Blue Highways, the third. Next up, we got the Warren Industries. Looks like we got us a little Willys Jeep here. 1948 Willys Jeep. It's pretty cool. A little shovel on the side. gas can, rear tire. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice little Jeep. And then next we got a 76 International Scout. Also, one here's got Matchbox on the side, number 2. Pretty cool. Pretty good looking too. Sweet looking little truck. Anyway, that's 76 International Scout. Next, we got a 2021 Ford Bronco. 2021 Ford Bronco. It's pretty nice. Anyway, that's 2021 Ford Bronco. Next, we got a Warren Parts Delivery van. Warren Parts Delivery. It says dig in and winch out. 48. It's pretty cool. Emissions. I wonder if it's an electric. It's a pretty cool little van though. Kind of pretty. Anyway, that's the Ford Bronco. And looks like we got us another 09 International E-Star. Looks kind of like a side-by-side. E-Star. It's pretty neat. Anyway, that does it for the Warren. Anyway, that's it for the Warren Industries and Blue Highways the Third. Please check out my other videos of 1/64 scale racing, please. Please like and subscribe. Got more coming. Until then, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. Bye.